Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna look into this freezer here. Yeah, we just opened the freezer and then we noticed that everything is soft. Even the ice cream, soft. Alright, all the ice cream, it's like liquid now. Alright, like you guys can see. And look at that, it's all liquidy, right? Like a liquid, melty. Alright, so obviously we noticed that it's actually leaking some water. As we open it, we had to cover the whole floor to make sure that the floor is protected. So in order to fix this normally is to if you look behind the condenser, you will notice that since this fridge has since they bought this freezer, they never ever cleaned it back. You know, this is something that you have to
2 years ago,
it's something that you really have to do, right? It was how old is this refrigerator?
I don't know, but somebody came to clean it like 2 to 3 years ago.
2 and 3 years ago. Okay, but now it has to be cleaned time to time because of the dust, right? The dust goes inside back in the back and it clogs the system, so there's not like much air circulation. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and remove this grill here, and I'm gonna show you how nasty the back look like. Okay.
You clean yours.
What?
How often do you clean yours?
I clean up
When's the last time you cleaned yours?
like this year.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
When?
Because it actually start making noise like that.
Oh.
Yeah, and then I just open it, clean it up really well. And I think it works fine. It's not making any more noise. And also because you know how the kids, they open it and then they just start filming. Yeah. Whenever they open the freezer that they're not even supposed to open, and then they don't close it completely. Okay. So if you look right here, you notice that the coil, you can't really see because the light is not good. The coil, they're very dusty here. Very dusty. So most of the time, we just have to suck this out completely. What is this saying there? It's weird. And there's supposed to be water in here because that's why whenever it goes, yeah, it's water there. Okay, you're supposed to blow this thing completely. So I'm actually on the end of blowing it, but I did not put anything here. All right, so take the vacuum. Okay, do you have the brush for this vacuum? Because it's not gonna help at all.
Oh no?
You gotta brush the coils.
Oh.
And then it's actually better to get. Oh, can you plug it? It will be better if it's plugged.
You use so many things.
Yeah, I actually rather blow like air in there just to remove all the dust.
The professional on YouTube said you can use the air compressor.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I have a compressor.
Oh, why do you use that? It's right around the corner.
You know, I'm gonna go ahead and use my air compressor, but I don't have the tip here. I actually bought the tip like last week. Where's my house? That means I have to go back again. Okay, go ahead and plug it a little bit. Let me see. This is not gonna do much. Okay, so it's not going to do much. This is just stupid. Always the same problem with this. I'm not. Okay, I know I bought that thing, but it's my house. And I have to go back home again. And then it's not like this thing really needs to be fixed. And I don't see you doing it.
How really?
Because first of all, this is not even working. So how are you gonna do it? Yeah. How are you gonna do it? Yeah. That's what I thought. You see?
Oh, Simba has a little car vacuum. Maybe you can use that.
It can't. You cannot vacuum. You have to blow it.
Oh.
Because you can't get back there, right? And then by vacuuming, that means you're actually sucking something that you can see. But like back there, you cannot do anything. Like back there. You see, because if you look on the back, you see all. Like I show you, you see that back there, you have like all the
dang. How come they don't build something to stop the dust?
To stop the dust?
Yeah.
Because air has to go through.
Oh.
And you can't really stop the dust because you see they put this the vent.
Yeah.
They're gonna prevent that. But it just is very thin particles.
Interesting.
Okay, so that's why. And then you tell me that you could do it. Well,
I didn't know it was to this extent.
everything is to that extent, lady. So before you think you can take on something because you're looking on YouTube, good luck with that. You still have to have the tools and the knowledge of how things work. Yeah.
Good on you.
Okay. Let's see. Alright, so what we're going to do here right now, we're just going to spray it in there. It's like nothing happening. I don't see any dust coming up. Yeah, actually do.
You want me to hold my thumb?
Yeah. Yeah, the pressure is not really high because it's not made for this type of.
Yeah.
It's still like dust over here. Inside here. Yeah, it's not made really.
Some coming off a little
Actually,
bit.
let me pump up the pressure. Yeah, let me try to see if I can up the pressure.
Can the tip break off?
Because somebody was supposed to do the light.
Oh, I'm ordering your food now. Grilled chicken burrito. Deep fried beans or whole beans?
We're probably
And guacamole.
yeah.
Onion.
Yeah.
No salsa. You want cheese as well? You want cheese?
Yeah.
The sour cream.
Okay, I think.
Alright, got you.
That was not the initial plan though. I actually like to eat what you cook, you know.
Next time. Tomorrow I'm going to do something so tasty.
What?
So your burrito's on its way now.
Not get anything?
No. I made some spicy soup, but you can't eat it.
You need some spice food that I can't eat it now.
Want to try it? I can cancel that. I can cancel my order. You want to try?
Spicy food?
Uh-huh.
No. Why is the thing on?
Nothing.
The
Oven?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was planning to cook. I forgot to.
Right. After this should work, right? So after we finish, we just gotta go ahead and put the cover back. Put this back in here. Right. Done. So after we finish this, we just gotta plug it in and wait for it to work.
How long does it wait?
We're just gonna put it back, and then because it was making noise, right? Yeah. Was it making like a big noise, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
How is it?
Yeah.
How winky. Is it working now? Hey, I'm Susie.
Susie is over
Your
there.
heart. No, you are not.
Susie, you're actually a fan, you know that?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You have like interesting responses.
Is it interesting or is it just weird? This is weird.
Yes, Susie. I mean, your heart.
Because that made me uncomfortable.
She's like, you're not? Because I know somebody that. She's like, I have somebody else already there.
Oh yeah, this is replaced. Wow, you're replacing me for a man? You're no longer important to me. What? Wait, can I take this?
Yeah, take it, please. Because this is garbage. Every time I come here to do the vacuum, it didn't work.
What did I do? I didn't
It's not working. It's clogged.
for the vacuum.
So I was like, I'm not even gonna fix it.
I thought that you fix it.
No, every time I come here,
I don't know what to tell you. I didn't have a vacuum.
every time I come here, it's clogged.
I don't know what to say. I have a vacuum, so I don't know who's doing it. Probably those ladies.
They don't have any. They have a carpet in the room still.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Every time I touch it, I come here.
Yes.
It's always. Every time I want to use the vacuum, it's always a project,
Is it?
like a new project, you know.
Wow.
That I didn't sign up for.
What are you and your mom? Oh, wow.
Oh, that's nobody vacuum. Just like in my house.
Now I'm about to vacuum right now in my bathroom. I don't vacuum the whole house because it just gets messy. Ooh, what's that mean? Okay. Is it working now?
Yeah, wait. So be patient.
What is that? Erica? Ah!
Got it.
Come on
Patient.
now, vacuum. We got things to do. There you go.
All right, now it's placed in place, and then we're just gonna wait until
Now you need the ring doorbell?
afterwards, right? All right, so
I got the delivery.
we just finished. We gotta make sure that it's working, and then we check to make sure that everything in the freezer is frozen. Let's check later on. All right, this is the next day after cleaning up the cars in the back, and just come here and shake what's up with the stuff that we have. Good news, all frozen again, as you can notice here. The ice cream is back. See, I can't even open because it's kind of sealed because of the let me see. Oh yeah, I can't open it, but I can tell you that it's fixed. This is the other. Wow, it's so hard to do it with one hand, as you can notice. Yep, you see how it's frozen. I'm pushing on this side and it's not going anywhere. Yep, that's the good news. It's fixed. You can see ice all over the place. You can see ice there. You can see a bit of ice here by scratching it, right? Yeah, so it works. So I guess we save some money here, so we don't have to use the technician. And guys, like we see, it works most of the time. Make sure you kind of clean the back of your fridge, like, you know, pressure. Use air compressor if you have some, or you can use the air can, and it will help time to time, right? So that's something you got to do like on a regular basis. A little bit about, let's say once a year. Just go out back there, pull your refrigerator out, and clean it up. See up here? Yeah, I kind of forgot to show you up as well. It was not. Now everything is cold cold, right? But my main concern was more the freezer, right? So like I say again, just make sure you clean up the back of your refrigerator, like at least like once a year, okay? And it will help I avoid what just happened to this one here. So there was no food wasted, and everything is back, yeah, hard as rock. All right, guys, take care. Here, if you like, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to help you out. You know, I'm starting where I'm gonna be putting tips how to build stuff, how to fix stuff. And thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.